Consolidating your credit card debt into a single loan can help you accelerate your effort to get out of debt, but only if you do it the right way with the right company. I'm going to give you the pros and cons of using Upstart for credit card consolidation. Let's be positive and start with the pros. Upstart is a bit unique in the lending industry, primarily because they're not actually a lender. They create the technology that empowers banks and credit unions to lend to customers. They have over 90 banks and credit union partners through which you may actually borrow if you apply through Upstart. But we don't want to overstate the breadth of their network. Over 70% of their loans are going to their top 2 lenders. Still, their process might make it easier for you to get approved, especially if you're not the ideal candidate. Upstart claims to consider factors in their approval like education and employment. Every lender has their own proprietary system for determining who to lend money to. It's no secret that most scrutinize your credit report and assess your debt-to-income ratio. If you have a college degree and a good stable job, Upstart might also give you additional brownie points in their algorithm. Another positive thing for Upstart could be their APRs. I say could be because it really depends on what they will offer you. But their loans have APRs that range between 7.8% and 35.99%. 7.8% is one of the lowest that is offered in the market right now. In fact, it might be unbelievably low given where interest rates are right now. If people are receiving an 8% APR, it's only the best quality candidates. So even if you are in pretty good shape, you might not be offered one of their lowest rates. Upstart says that the decision on whether to lend you money will be made within 5 minutes of submitting your application. And if you accept the loan, you could have the money in your account as soon as the next business day. So once you decide that this is something you want to do, you can move forward pretty quickly and get it taken care of. Now let's look at some of the cons of consolidating your credit card debt with Upstart. Upstart doesn't have an option of paying off your credit card balances for you when you take one of their credit card consolidation loans. It's convenient when a lender will pay off the balances for you, but I think of it as a con when they don't for another reason. They are less likely to approve you and less likely to give you the lowest interest rate. Why? Because they can't guarantee that you will take the money and pay down your other debts. So they probably don't consider debt payoff in their assessment of your debt-to-income ratio. Upstart does not have an option to allow you to add a cosigner to your loan. A cosigner is someone who will be held responsible for repaying the loan if you don't. Cosigners can often help you get approved or be offered a larger loan amount or a lower APR than you could have on your own. But Upstart doesn't have this option. Upstart charges a few different fees that you need to be aware of. If you're late on a payment, you will incur either a $15 fee or a charge of 5% of the past due amount, whichever is higher. A sort of double whammy, you could also be hit with an ACH return fee of $15 if Upstart tried to pull your payment only to find that your account didn't have sufficient funds. If you run into trouble paying, the fees could really start to add up. Upstart charges an origination fee as well. Origination fees are fairly common, although not all companies charge them. Upstart's fees have a very broad range. On some loans, they may not charge an origination fee at all, but their highest origination fee is 12% of the loan amount. 12% is a really high origination fee, so you will want to pay particular attention to what they offer you. There are 2 things you need to be aware of when it comes to origination fees. First, the fee comes out of the proceeds of the loan. That means that if there is a 5% origination fee on a $10,000 loan, you will receive $9,500, but will still be expected to pay back $10,000. The second thing you need to be aware of is that you don't get a prorated reimbursement on the origination fee if you pay the loan back early. So if you are planning to be aggressive about paying off your loan early, and you should, the origination fee will be a sunk cost. So if you have 2 loans with the exact same APRs, you might want to pick the one with the lower origination fee. Upstart may be a great option for you, but you owe it to yourself to shop around and make sure you're getting the best deal that you can get. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. You can visit our marketplace page and apply to one of our premium lenders. Behind the scenes, we'll check your rate with up to 40 lenders. The application will not affect your credit score, and we will show you all of the approvals so you can select the loan that's right for you. Good luck in your effort to pay off your credit card debt. We believe living a debt-free life is achievable, and we're here rooting you on. If you found this video useful, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.